Hi everyone, good morning. Good morning to one and all. Welcome to my channel, my cutie here, Prahalika I am. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the bell icon please. We are discussing Prelims Preparation 2020. I think this video may helpful for you and you, so till the end. To learn or get information, it's because it's an information and it's really an interesting about it. If you have any doubts, please ping me comments and definitely reach out. And on Monday to Saturday, we have some live sessions too on screen. You may ask questions related to UPSC Prelims 2026 preparation, how to improve and the strategies and what and what. So let's dive into the topic today's. Are you excited? Yes. So let's discuss. The topic is like TEX, Tex Ramps Scheme. What's exactly is all about? What it defines and what and what. So basics like full form, textiles focused research. Textiles means clothing, fabric, etc. We love, right? Yes, like that. So assessment, monitoring, planning and startups. There are plenty of people who have done researches, assessments and monitoring. They monitor the vision of what exactly is and they plan and they start their own business. That's nothing but startup. There was a ministry, that's nothing but Ministry of Textiles, and funding we got from ministry, from higher authority, like funding of number rupees of 305 crores 2025 to 26 to 2030 to 31. So what is the aim of this tax? What is this? Tex Ramps Scheme. What is the aim of this Tex Ramps Scheme? This aims is like this. It's aimed for future-proofs India's textiles and apparel. Apparel means clothing, styling, right? Fabric. So apparel means dressing, wearing, fashion. Apparel. T&A sector. Through research, innovation and competitiveness. So here are some key components and research and innovation too. Want to know what exactly is? So stay tuned till the end. So among that, smart textiles, sustainability, advanced materials, data, analytics and diagnostics, employment studies, supply chain mapping, risk assessments, integrated textile statistical systems, ITSS, real-time monitoring plus strategy is nothing but planning. And capacity development is like strengthening state level planning and best practice and determination. And when you want to start up and innovation support incubators, you need. And there was a hackathons and academia, industries and collaborations too. So hope this scheme like Tex, what is this? Tex Ramps Scheme. This scheme can helpful for you to learn more. Thank you. See you in next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you shine.